Periodontal microbiology equal to guaranteed questions in NEET MDS, especially Socrates complexes. Learn these 10 MCQs and you will secure easy marks. Question 1. Which bacteria belong to the red complex? A. Streptococcus actinomyces, B. P. gingivalis, T. denticola and T. forsythia, C. Fusobacterium and Prevotella, D. Vellonola and Neisseria. Answer is B. Red complex PTT equal to most pathogenic associated with deep pockets and bleeding. Question 2. Red complex bacteria are associated with A. Health, B. Early plaque, C. Severe periodontitis, D. Enamel caries. Answer is C. These are late colonizers found in deep anaerobic pockets that lead to severe disease. Question 3. Which complex acts as a bridge to red complex? A. Yellow, B. Orange, C. Purple, D. Green. Answer is B. Orange complex bacteria helps colonization of red complex, leads to disease progression. Question 4. Example of orange complex bacteria: A. Streptococcus, B. Fusobacterium nucleatum, C. Actinomyces, D. Vellonola. Answer is B. Fusobacterium acts as a bridge organism linking early and late colonizers. Question 5. Early colonizers belong to which complex? A. Yellow, B. Red, C. Orange, D. Blue. Answer is A. Yellow complex. Streptococcus led to initial plaque formation. Question 6. Which bacteria is a keystone pathogen? A. Streptococcus mutans, B. P. gingivalis, C. Actinomyces, D. Vellonola. Answer is B. P. gingivalis can alter host response and drive dysbiosis. Question 7. Aggregate Actinomyces commitans is associated with A. Chronic gingivitis, B. Aggressive periodontitis, C. Dental caries, or D. Oral cancer. Answer is B. Classic organism in localized aggressive periodontitis. Molar incision pattern. Question 8. Which bacteria is gram-negative anaerobe? A. Streptococcus, B. P. gingivalis, C. Actinomyces, D. Lactobacillus. Answer is B. Red complex organisms are mostly gram-negative anaerobes. Question 9. Green complex bacteria include A. Prophyromonas, B. Treponema, C. Capnocytophaga, D. Tenerella. Answer is C. Green complex equal to early colonizers and less pathogenic. Question 10. Socrates complex are based on A. Shape of bacteria, B. Association with disease severity, C. Gram staining, or D. Culture method. Answer is B. Grouping is based on correlation with periodontal health versus disease severity.